This is the COVID-19 Antibody Test from VedaLab. Inside your box you get 20 devices individually packaged. These need to be brought to room temperature before they're used. Inside the pouch you get one device and a desiccant. Inside the kit you also get a bottle of buffer and the pack insert. Please read the pack insert carefully. To perform the test, the subject has to have clean hands. The lancet's used by twisting off the cap and pulling. This is the pipette. Now, to trigger the lancet, you hold it against the person's finger and push the lever. It's good practice to remove the first drop of blood. Squeeze the finger gently until a good drop of blood is produced. And then by holding the pipette very carefully against the drop of blood, the blood is drawn up by capillary action. Once the blood gets to the line, the pipette will stop drawing up any more blood. This blood is then added to well 1. Allow a few seconds for the blood to be absorbed. And then into well 2, you add your buffer. You need 3 drops and they're added slowly. So drop 1, 1, 2, 3. Drop 2, 1, 2, 3, and then drop 3. You then allow this device to sit for 10 minutes exactly. Do not read the test after 15 minutes.